Hey, I am going to do a quick vegetable stir fry. I'm going to use, let me tell you what I'm going to use. I'm going to use a bit of, onions. So I'm going to prepare my onions. So I'm going to use a bit of red. I'll use a bit of red. And all of the white onion. So I'm going to chop that away. Peel that. Got my red onion and the white onion. I haven't got a wok, so what I'm going to use is just a small frying pan. But ideally, it would be good to use a wok. So I'm going to slice the onions. Yeah, and you can see I'm slicing the onion. I'm going to put that a bit more like that so you can see. It's a bit better. You want to see the knife action, don't you? You just want to see my face. You know what my face looks like already. Right. So slice the onions. Bit of veg oil into the frying pan. Little bit of oil. About 10 milliliters. 2 tablespoons. 20 milliliters at the most. You don't want it too greasy. Well, I don't anyway. Put my onions in there to fry away. Then, root vegetable, carrot. I'm going to cut the carrot into julienne. It's a small carrot. Just going to slice it down. And then I'm going to cut it into little matchsticks. And then I'm going to add it to the onions. Little matchsticks. This is a root vegetable, as you may know by now. Or you should know by now. Or maybe not. Anyway. It's a root vegetable. And really and truly, it should go in first. But because I want it to stay crunchy, I'm putting it in there. As you can see, straight in. Once again, just go a little shake, little stir. Celery. Now celery is a stem vegetable. And once again, I'm going to do julienne. Not too much celery. Okay, so celery like that. Quite a bit going on at the moment, because what I also want to do is I'm going to do a chicken salad in a minute. So I'm going to quickly do a bit of a stir fry, get a bit of shake. I want to cheat a bit, use a wooden spoon. Just get that going. Then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic in there. Just one clove. Don't need more than one clove. If I just do that, then I can quickly chop it up. Nicely chopped. What will be really nice in this now, to give it that oomph flavour, is a little bit of ginger, but I don't have any. And in this lockdown, in a time like this, we've got to make do with what we've got in the cupboard, and this is what I've got in the cupboard or in the fridge. Then I'm going to add a little bit of leek. Well, all of this leek. I don't usually use leek in stir fry, but once again, as I said to you before, anything goes at the moment. It's in the cupboard, it's a vegetable, and it will work. So, just julienne of leek and shove it in the pan. What would be nice as well to put in there is bean shoots, which I don't have. So once again, now you know that the leek is related to the onion. So although it's a long stem, it is still classed as a bulb. But you use it like a stem vegetable, because you use all of it. All the green leaves, or the white leaves that goes on the top. You use it all up into the frying pan. Then I'm going to turn up the frying pan a little bit, but the last thing I've got to try and get in there is the cabbage. Yeah. So you are, I've said I've forgotten to season it. I haven't forgotten to season it. I'm going to season it last. So all I'm going to do is add a little bit of salt to it, and then I'm going to add the sweet chilli. So I was putting the rest of this celery there to get it out of the way, and the last thing I want to put in there is the cabbage. So celery in, then I can shred up this cabbage, and this is a leaf vegetable. Get it in there. And then leave it to cook. Sizzle away, sizzle away, sizzle away. Now I can get my seasoning, my salt. You know that I always encourage using a measuring utensil of some description. So teaspoon. You don't want a teaspoon of salt in there. Maybe half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah. And sprinkle it. You just want the salt just to bring out the flavour of the stir-fry vegetables. You don't want it to actually be salty, because you're going to add sweet chilli, so you don't really want it to be salty. You can omit the sweet chili and add oyster sauce or Worcester sauce if you like, or even soy sauce. It's your choice. But to me today it's just going to be stir fry vegetables with sweet chili sauce. Right, now in my stir fry I always put a little teeny bit, I'm going to add a little bit more oil in this. The vegetables looking a little bit dry, so it's going to add a little bit more oil in there so it doesn't burn. Not too much, just a little bit more oil in there. Now in my stir fry I always add a little teensy bit of tomato puree. It gives my stir fry that unique flavour, different from someone else's. So little teeny bit of tomato paste in there, just a little touch. Lovely, lovely. Very nice, very nice. Quick and easy to make. And the last thing I'm going to put in there is my sweet chili sauce. The next I'm going to make is chicken salad. So now I'm going to do a crispy chicken salad. Right. So I'm going to prepare my salad. Now one of the things about doing the salad is the presentation is important. This is going to be a very basic presentation, and I'm just using a ready-made salad dressing, Caesar's dressing, which normally goes with chicken Caesar, but I like it more than I like mayonnaise or salad dressing. So I'm going to decorate my plate, some leaves, and in these leaves, in this mixed salad, it has got things like beetroot in there, red chard and spinach leaves. So it's a nice little mixture. Yeah, mixture of leaves. Then what I'm going to do next I've got some cherry tomatoes, and I'm going to cut them up, just cut them in half. I could cut them into quarters if I so desire, but I don't. I'm just going to cut them in half. And when I cut them in half, I'm just going to scatter them within the salad. Right, the chicken's in the oven, crisping up. So it's going to be a crisp chicken drumstick in this case, with salad. Now, if I just put these tomatoes somewhere on the plate, it's a great salad. Last of all, I'm going to use some red onion. Now I'm going to finely slice it, and this will complement the beetroot and the tomatoes and the lettuce. These lovely onions will bring out the flavour. I love it. As finely sliced as you can. remembering that the presentation is very important. So I'll make sure I spread them all out so they're all into individual strips like that. And then I'm going to take that and sprinkle that over my lettuce, beetroot and tomato. It's just the waiting game now, and I'm just waiting for the chicken to cook or to heat up, and I'm just going to place it on top. Right, one thing when you're making a salad, never put the salad dressing on until you are about to serve. So when I'm about to serve, I'm going to pour the dressing on the salad, then I'm going to put the chicken on top, then I'm going to serve. At this stage, actually, what I might do, because I always put a little slight bit of salt on everything, just a little bit of seasoning. It doesn't have to be a great deal. Teaspoon, little bit of salt, not too much. Less than quarter. You just want to put a little bit of flavour, a little bit, little touch, just a little flavour on the leaves. And it's up to you. You don't have to put any salt if you don't want to, but I like to put a little bit of salt on my salad. Then I add my dressing, and it just brings up the flavour of the dressing and the salad. That is what it does for me. Okay, I've taken my chicken out of the oven, nice and hot, sizzling. And what I'm going to do now, I am going to complete the salad. So with the salad, this is a bit of Caesar dressing. You can use anything, salad dressing, vinegar, anything you like. I just want to show you the presentation. So a little bit of dressing, not too much, just a little drizzle. Then I'll get my chicken drumsticks and I place it on there like so. And on here like so. Yeah. This is my crispy chicken salad. However, if I move this away, I can do the same thing. This is my stir-fry vegetables. And once again, you don't want it all over the dish, nicely in the center. And I can either serve it as it is, or I can have a crispy chicken stir fry. If I just get that chicken there, like that, and there we go. There you go. Chicken salad or chicken stir fry. Both fairly healthy, except for the deep fried chicken or deep fried baked chicken. Quite tasty. Try it for yourself.